Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's build it. I'm Imran Malik, and in this video, we are going to work on this login screen, basically on the UI part. So we will try to arrange them as per the design. These are the custom text field, so we will cover it in the separate video. In the first part, we will simply design this, and for this text field, we will use the default one. So let's start working on it. So first we will create a group and login. First of all, let me move all the UI files and all the main class files in domain folder, or we can say it app. So login, onboarding, splash, this all should go inside of app. Okay, this looks more organized now. So inside of login, let me create a SwiftUI view named login view, and we also need a view model. So for that, we'll choose a Swift file login view model. So I'll create a final class login view model, which is going to be an observable object. Inside of it, we'll create a letter. Let's go back to login view here. I'll create an observed object, something like that. Private var view model, login view model here. So first we need a background. So we already have it as a splash background, so we can use it. So for that we need a ZStack. Here I'll use image name splash like this, and we also want to ignore zip area. Let me run the preview. And for this content, we are going to use a scroll view because it contains some text field. So we want the view should go up when we click on the text field and the keyboard appears. We don't want to hide our the text field below the keyboard. So let me write a scroll view. On the first, we have a logo, so we already have it. Name splash logo. So next we have a login to your account text, which is of size of 20 pixel. So let's write text login to your account. Now we will add a font, and font will be of system size. We don't have the text, sorry, the font, custom font that are used on the design. You can download this design from the Figma link. I'll provide it in the video description. We also need to have some padding from the top, around 60 pixel, because yeah, if you can see, it's around 47. So yeah, you can have it 50. Sorry. Then we have these two text fields. So for them, we will create text field with simple title as email and text. So here we need a binding string that we are going to define here in the view model. So let's define public where email, which is going to be string. Initial value should be empty or blank string. I don't want it to be an optional string because both are the mandatory things, so I don't want to make them optional and defining nil. All right, these are the two things. So we'll write view model and email. Don't forget to add the dollar sign. Okay, then we also need to give some padding from top, and it should be around 40 pixel. So 40 pixel. Then let me copy and paste it here. This should be password, and here write the password as a placeholder. The 40 pixel is too much, so let it take the default padding. Now we have this or continue with. So let's copy and paste it here and type or continue with Facebook and Google. So I have already downloaded the assets. Let me bring them here. So this is the Facebook and Google logo that I have extracted from the Figma. So you can simply write them here. All right. And its font is not 20, 12 pixel, 12 pixel, and weight should be bold. Padding. How much padding we required? Just 20 pixels, so just remove it. It will take by default 20 pixel padding. Now we want to arrange them horizontally, so let's create an HStack. Inside of it we will define h name. First we have Facebook, make it resizable and scale to fit. Similarly, we required Google. So as you can see, both are here. You can play with their height and width. Uh, it is inside of HStack. That's why uh, they are looking little bit not shrink, but the spacing is a little bit high. So you can play around with it. All right, now we have forget your password button. So let me create a button. Initialize this button with action and label. So inside of action, let me remove this extra brackets. Button label. So I think this should not be here. Yeah, the error is gone now. We can simply write a print statement that forgot password was or is tabbed, and in label we will create a text, name it forgot your piece capital, I guess, yeah, password question mark, and font. So font should be system size of 12 pixel, 12, and weight should be medium, and we also need a foreground color, which I believe is green, light green. So we already have this light green in our assets. So this is the forget password. Now we need this button that we already have, so we just want to reuse it. So let's reuse it. First, let's create the config, which is what was its name? The custom button config. We'll name it login and action. Now we will create this button. We'll pass this config that we already created, and we need to make it a little short. The weight is 140, 141. So frame with width is 140, and from top the padding should be 20 pixel would be enough, or make it a little more, 40 pixel. Yeah. All right, so all the elements I believe we have implemented, right? All right, so let me I think we need to give some padding on the horizontal as well, because the fields are getting just close to the edge. So we can give this padding to the whole scroll view, and we will say horizontal, so everything should be center aligned. Yeah. Let me try to run it. We need to call this here login view, something like this. Yeah, let's try to run it again. After splash, we should be, yeah, it is visible. I think we need to give a little more space from the top. So let's get back to this screen, from the top. So this is the splash view. Sorry, this is the logo that we have. We can give padding from top. Let me run it. Yeah, nice enough. So if you click on some text field, everything should be move up, and even you will be able to scroll up and down. Okay, return. There's one thing missing on this screen. Actually, this is a dummy design that we are referring. So there have multiple issues with this design, such as we don't have any button to move sign up on sign up screen. So if I'm new, I don't have any account, so how would I sign up? There is no option. So we might need to have a button here to navigate to sign up screen. Maybe we can work on that part in the next video, in which I'll show you how you can use the navigation stacks in SwiftUI, the very efficient way that I'll show you will create a simple class. You don't have to write much code than on every screen, right? So stay tuned on my channel. If you have any doubt or any question, do ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to answer your questions. Please stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you.